Locked up. And they're off. Good start for Midnight Wonder and Buckeye Cruiser on the outside. Sugar Loves It is away top three. Derby Day Kiss out in fourth, and it's Nublada. Early trailer is Oh Glorious Day. They have 5 furlongs to go, and Midnight Wonder crosses over with the early lead. Derby Day Kiss right behind her in second. Sugar Loves It has moved up on the inside into third. Buckeye Cruiser off the pace now with Nublada on her inside in fifth. And Oh Glorious Day 8 lengths behind Midnight Wonder. Midnight Wonder is loose here by 2.5 lengths over Derby Day Kiss. And Sugar Loves It down along the inside, sitting in third. But Midnight Wonder is still opening up here. Nublada is into fourth. Buckeye Cruiser now racing in fifth. And Oh Glorious Day has tons of work to do. They all have work to do to catch Midnight Wonder, who streaks past the quarter pole 7 lengths in front. Derby Day Kiss and Sugar Loves It are battling for second. Buckeye Cruiser was just passed by Nublada, and Oh Glorious Day not involved. And it's still Midnight Wonder with a 1 furlong to go, and she's got a big, big lead here. Midnight Wonder well clear with a final 16th to go, and it's all Midnight Wonder. One-horse race here. Midnight Wonder easy. Good battle for second. Goes to Derby Day Kiss. That was Nublada, and then Sugar Loves It ran fourth.